L-ewwel lejl ta' tfajla ta' 21 sena f'pajjiżna ma tantx spiċċa fuq nota tajba. Waqt li Anna u ħabibta mill-Gżejjer Faroe kienu qed jiddevertu fi stabbiliment f'Paċifil, raġel li kien fl-istess post laqa ta' fajnejha b'sigarett.
We were just exiting the club and we walked past a man who was in about his 50s and he's standing there with his partner, a woman, and he's smoking in there. And just when we walked past, he, typical Matisse, he walks, waving with his hand, and he pokes my eye with his cigarette.
Tirakkonta mumenti fejn kienet muġwa ħafna, iżda wkoll biża li tista' titlef id-dawl tajnejha tant li qattet l-għada fl-isptar għat-testijiet.
It just hurt really bad. I thought I had go blind in my eye, but luckily it didn't. My eye looks very much better now than it did. But it was really stressful, and fortunately my friend was there helping me down the stairs down to an ambulance.
Ma' Net News Anna tispjega li fil-mument tal-inċident it-tfajla li kienet qed takkumpanja lir-raġel li laqata waqfet biex tassistiha qabel ir-raġel ġibbi dal-barra mill-post.
The woman tried to say something like should we put water in her eye or something, and the man just took her arm and took her away. They just ran away, do nothing to help me.
Dwar dan il-każ infetaħ rapport mal-pulizija għalkemm ftit li xejn hemm dettalji li jistgħu waslu biex jiġi individwat ir-raġel li aktarx huwa Malti li huwa magħruf dwaru minn xhieda u li r-raġel u t-tfajla li kienet qed takkumpanjah għandhom madwar 50 sena. Ir-raġel kien libes flokk abjad b'xaru fil-gris u kemm xejn qaraj filwaqt li t-tfajla kienet libsa nuċċali b'xar kannella qasir. Madankollu jidher li s-sidien tal-istabbiliment ftit li xejn qed jikkoperaw tant li meta avviċinati mill-pulizija pront irrispondewhom li fuq ġewwa tal-istabbiliment m'għandhomx kameras tas-sigurtà. Filwaqt li tappella l-informazzjoni Anna tinsisti fuq il-bżonn li tiġi osservata l-liġi f'pajjiżna.
If anyone has seen anything, I think it's, I would be happy if they would, step forward and say, anything about how they looked, or if they know this man or woman. But I think, it's so stupid to smoke in clubs that are so heavily populated because, accidents like that can easily happen.
Danu biss wieħed minn sensiela ta' każi li jiġru ta' kuljum f'Paċifil u li jiġdu l-bżonn ta' iżjed regolamentazzjoni u osservanza tal-liġi fiż-żona. Fl-aħħar jiem żagħżugħ barrani irrapporta għal xaba qawwija minn grupp ta' bouncers li saħansitra kisrulu nuċċali u ferewh bid-daqqiet.